Hi everyone, is Apple Map navigation not working after the last iOS update? Maybe directions are not loading or navigation stops suddenly. Don't worry, I will show you simple fixes to get Apple Maps working again. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. First, restart your iPhone. This might sound simple, but after an update, small glitches can affect apps like Apple Map. A quick restart often fixes the issue. Step 2. Check location services. Go to settings. Go to privacy and security. Then tap location services. Make sure location services is turned on. Also, scroll down, tap map and select while using the app. Step 3. Check internet connection. Apple Maps need a stable internet connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. You can also switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data to test. Step 4. Enable precise location. In location services, tab map and make sure precise location is enabled. This helps Apple Maps give accurate navigation and directions. Step 5. Restart Apple Maps app. Close Apple Map completely from recent app, then open it again. This refreshes the app can fix navigation problems. Step 6. Reset network settings. If the issue continues, go to Settings, General, Transfer Reset iPhone, Reset, Reset network settings. This won't delete your data, but it will refresh network connection. Step 7. Check for another iOS update. Sometimes Apple release small update to fix bug. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available update. And that's it. These steps should fix Apple Maps navigation issue after an iOS update. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy iPhone tips.